Here we go again. It must be spring fever. Petey's rolling in the snow. He wants it to go away. Go away, snow. Petey, what you doing? What you doing? Maybe he's making snow angels. Maybe the snow angels will bring on the spring. Make the snow go away. Oh, yeah, that's my dog. That's my dog. Petey!